Alright bro, what are we installing on this 2021 Accord? What are we installing? T10? Diffuser?
Yeah, the T10, the diffuser.
We gotta put the freaking bumper reflectors and also tail lights. So
yeah.
let's get to it. Let's just do definitely go with tail lights first. Alright, to take off the top portion of the tail lights, you just gotta take off 1, 2, and 3, 4, and then you have 5, I think 6 right there, right beneath. Move these 6 clips and do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so what you want to do once the bolts are removed or the nuts, you just want to kind of grab, like the whole piece will come off, but the thing is you want to grab onto this right here. You want to hold it, bro?
Yeah, sure.
So I can show it real quick.
The camera? Or
Yeah, the camera rifle right there, yeah.
Alright, bro.
I wish I could use my GoPro. Use a plastic trim tool to get there, it's a lot better.
Let me see.
Quicker. See, just like that. When the 2 clips are out, that's cool. But then you want to be careful on the 3rd one, like kind of slowly do it, and then get on this side as well. On the other opposite side, it kind of pops out evenly, just like that. And then you're able to grab this piece, but of course where is it? Disconnect it. Which is just that. And the reverse light comes right out, and then pops right out. Bam. All right, so this is the tricky part. You want to the one that we can disconnect it first. You just want to connect these 2 together, and in the back one, you want to take the bulb out and connect this piece in there. And this is going to be connected with the bottom piece. The wire is going to come up here. But when you put it in reverse, if it doesn't work, the reverse light, just take this out and rotate it and push it back in. All right, it's just this one right here. That's how it should be looking. Stock wire, aftermarket connector. This is the 2 big clips right here. Should clip in by itself. Super easy. Do the same thing on the other side, and don't forget to tighten up the 6 nuts up there. We'll go on this side real quick. The easy way to take the bottom piece off is kind of take this off, wiggle it up. You can go ahead. Right there. I'm gonna point it right here. Go ahead there. Yeah. So just take this part out a bit, and to easily take this off, people usually go behind it, like with a flathead or a plastic trim tool. But I usually go right over here and kind of push it from here and just kind of pull it upwards a little bit. Right here, when you have some space right here, just kind of wiggle it upwards. It should come right off. You don't have to do too much like pressure on it or anything like that. Stay just like that, wiggle it upwards, and it doesn't require too much. Like, there's no way you're gonna break this way. Like that, so you don't break it. But if you go from the side, from inside, you might break the middle piece. Just like that. Do the same thing on the other side, but carefully. Let me know when you press it.
Yeah, it's on.
Alright, so putting on the new tail lights. This will connect just like that. And the small piece will definitely have to come up there. So take off. There's a small spot right here. We're gonna open this up. We're gonna push it through here. Just like that. It's gonna go through here. We'll open up the liner from inside and we'll pull out the wire up to connect it up there. I know it's one of those tricky things.
All right.
What?
You want?
All right, ready, go ahead. All right, so I got the V1s right here, beautiful, smoked out. And simply as that, push this through. And then you want to line up this holes, and whenever you want to close this, you see how I have gap up here? I want to make sure I come down here, and I don't have that gap, so I'm gonna try to realign it just like that. See?
This is
Now I don't have gap.
Sorry.
I don't know. It's alright.
This is touring?
I don't know.
It's a special edition. Oh.
And then screw him back in, and we're gonna use the extension right here that they provide us with.
Oh my
Easily
gosh.
fits right in.
2 of them. Sorry. Oh
One right there, and one right behind right here. There's a small clip right here. You just take off the push tab pins from here in the center. Then you can open this area up, and you would pull that out. Just connect that. Put the accessory back here. And then the rest up here, you want to make sure you have enough, you know, when you come down, you want to make sure it's enough like that. Just zip tie it, just like that. Zip tie each spot. That should do it. That's it. That's V1's right there installed. Go ahead, turn it on. And do the reverse. That's reverse. You see how this side works, reverse, and this side's not? That means you gotta take the small tab out, which is this one right here, and rotate it and push it back in, then it should work. All right, I just rotated it, and check it out. Now it works, just like that. See that? That is it, guys. That's it for a V1's installation. Pretty simple, just like that. And now we're gonna go ahead and do a bumper reflector lights with it as well, because he's missing that. So I'll put that in the next video coming up. Stay tuned and keep watching this awesome content. Subscribe if you haven't already. Smash the like button, share, and peace out until next time.